Yes, I'm perfect. No one can beat me. Look at my old ice skates. They are still strong enough for practice. I cannot wait to get on the ice and try my routine today. Oh, please! Look at her pathetic shoes! Are you seriously planning to enter the regional championship, Maya? Wearing those ancient rags, Maya? They might be old, Chloe, but they belong to me. I can still skate just fine. You stand no chance against my new high-tech Italian skates. You look like a total beginner out here. I just want to focus on my moves and do my best. A poor girl like you will never win a gold. Just give up now and save yourself from total embarrassment.
Skaters, take your marks on the main ice and go!
Keep your balance, Maya. Steady breath. Now speed up for the jump. Oh no! My skate lace just snapped! Look at that dramatic and clumsy fall! See? I told everyone that cheap old junk like that only leads to losing. Everyone is laughing at me. I feel so embarrassed. I want to disappear right now.
Maya, are you all right? That was a rough landing.
I am okay, Coach, but my skate is completely ruined. Just pack your bags, Maya. The ice is only meant for real athletes with proper gear.
Don't worry, Maya. Dad can fix this skate for you. A little setback cannot stop my brave daughter.
Dad, Chloe was right. Maybe we are too poor. Maybe my old gear really cannot win against her expensive shoes.
Look at me, Maya. The best champions in the world didn't start with perfect gear. They started with nothing.
Is that true? Can hard work really beat brand new equipment?
Hard work, discipline, and passion are what truly matter.
Thank you, Dad. Seeing you work so hard for me makes me want to try even harder.
Stay low, Maya! Push off the ice with power!
Focusing on my speed now. In and out. Just breathe.
Eat all your warm soup and vegetables, sweetheart. You need every bit of energy for tomorrow's morning training.
I will finish everything, Mom. Thank you so much. I must practice every single minute today. But I cannot give up now. I am doing this for our family.
We believe in you, Maya. Your determination is stronger than any storm.
Welcome to the ice arena! Get ready for the final match! Let's bring out the teams!
Look at those ugly repaired skates. You stand zero chance against me today. My dad fixed these for me with his own hands. They are all I need to win. Love doesn't win gold medals, Maya. High-tech blades and perfect, expensive outfits do.
Stronger legs, a passionate heart, and a clear mind matter so much more than fancy, expensive shoes.
You're completely right, Dad. I am not afraid anymore.
That's my champion! You are fully ready for this race. Attention skaters, the final round of the National Ice Skating Championship is about to begin. Please take your starting positions on the ice. Runners and skaters, get ready! 3, 2...
Catch me if you can, Maya! You're way too slow! Stay calm, Maya. Do not chase her. Just keep your own steady rhythm and focus on your form.
Go, Maya, go!
You can do it! Push through!
You can do it!
Almost there, sweetheart!
Hear them. I must skate harder. My legs are getting so heavy, and I feel like out of energy. No! Time to give it everything I've got. This is my moment. No way! How is she skating so fast on those broken skates?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a clear winner. The new regional ice skating champion is Maya!
Our girl won the competition!
Our girl did it!
We are so unbelievably proud of you!
Yes! Oh, Maya! We're so proud of you!
Congratulations on your incredible victory, Maya.
Thank you so much, teacher. Means the absolute world to me and my family.
I was completely and utterly wrong about her.
True skill comes from the heart, dedication, and passion, not from expensive gear or rich clothes. Maya, do you have a quick minute to talk?
Sure, Chloe, what is it?
I am so sorry for teasing you, making fun of your family, and laughing at your skates before. You skated amazingly today, and you truly deserve that gold medal. Thank you, Chloe. Apology accepted. Let's forget the past and be good friends from now on. I finally get it now. Real talent and true friends don't come with a price tag. Exactly! Collaborating beats showing off pricey gear.